Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now in order to change your control settings, if you go into the options as indicated by the Y button, then you will not see the control settings. So from the home page, you will need to go into the keyboard settings, which is indicated by the LB button. If you have a joystick available, then you can press this button. Otherwise, you can press the Q button on your keyboard, which is assigned as the LB button. Now, once you are inside your keyboard settings, you can modify and change all of your desired buttons. Just navigate to the control that you wish to change, and then press the L button to select it. You will now be prompted to press your desired new button. Go ahead and tap on your desired new key, and it will now be assigned to this action right away. You can repeat this process and reassign all of your buttons to your desired keys. And once you are done, navigate to the settings complete option and press whichever button is assigned as your A button. And now your settings will be saved, and you can now start playing your game with your chosen control settings right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings on the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.